welcome back to another video today. I'm with Ant. We've actually been here for about 2 to 3 hours, and I'm starting the intro now because we try to do an LTB challenge, guys. With our weather conditions, it's just been killing us. It's like 90 degrees right now. There's not a cloud in the sky, and so with this LTB, we barely got anything. We were getting beat out here. So we're gonna switch to some tactics that can help you catch some big old summer bass in like the worst possible conditions. Because our conditions gonna get much worse than this. Are conditions gonna get much worse than this fishing wise?
Oh, I haven't fished any worse.
Yeah, like it's hot, it's not a cloud in the sky, and so we're gonna try to pull everything we know together, maybe teach you guys a few new tips and tricks along the way, and try to catch some big old summer bass. Worst conditions as in worst fishing conditions we've ever fished. So we're actually walking to our good spot right now, and let's hopefully we can have a good second half of the day, catch some nice fish, film a cool video for you guys, and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and hopefully we catch some fish. Let's do it. Dude, I do too. Did you?
Oh, there he is.
Got one?
Oh, I lost him. Oh, it was a pike. It was a pike.
Was it really?
Yeah,
I got him, don't worry.
It was a pike. Oh, I lost him.
Did he just
Took off the
Oh, he
craws.
just munched off those craws. On that
was a
chatterbait.
nice pike, dude.
There's bass. Got him. Little guy. Sweet, sweet, sweet. I'm gonna fall off this thing. Get him up here, get him up here. Let's go. All right. First fish. Little guy though, on that jig. You guys see what I did here? I crept in here, and I don't know if you can see where I'm standing. I'm way farther than the bank, because if I stepped on those rocks right there, I 100% would have spooked that fish who took it right at the rocks. When you come into a new bank, you kind of want to ease into it, cast farther away so you can hit that shoreline, because if I stepped down there, like I said, I would have spooked him. But still, my first fish of the day. Awesome to finally get a fish on that little crawl right there. Not too shabby. So I'm gonna toss him from here. There he goes. Woo! Feeling good. Feeling real good. I think there might be some by this little island. There's some trees over here. Oh, there's one. Oh! Set the hook way too late. Way too late. Jesus. Took that thing right when it hit the water. Come on, come back for it. Hold him up. There you go. Ant's throwing the black and blue chatterbait. He's actually fishing some rocks. So same thing I was doing. I caught that first one. I'm actually still gonna hit back here, and then we're gonna head over to our money rock wall. So good catch by Ant, and we're feeling something good here. I'm telling you guys, these jigs, chatterbaits bouncing off the bottom, big thumpity trailers like this. You know, they thump when they go down, especially these big tails. These are good. I'm feeling really confident right now. More confident than I have all morning. There he is. Got him. Oh, son of a gun, bro. He's right there. I saw him take it. Okay, what am I doing here? Hold on. Get back in there. Hit it twice. I saw him. He was actually a decent fish. I was actually just swimming that one right above the rocks because those big crawler. There he is. Got him. Oh, he wasn't even big. He wasn't even big. It's all right. It's a fish. It's a fish. It's a fish. Let's go. Let's go. That there. Hit it again. I'm just swimming this one actually right off the bottom. But as you guys can see right here. Okay, let me take it off. Perfect hooks it too. As you guys can see here, these things right here, they're huge. I can't even speak right now. What is this? The thumpity thumpers. Those things. They thump a lot, all right? The crawfish tails. Yeah, those things thump a lot while I'm swimming off the bottom, which is why I triggered this little guy to bite. And he was ready to go. So this trailer's actually almost done for, and I actually don't have any more. I left them in Wisconsin, so I'm gonna try to reuse it as much as I can. Maybe get another fish or two off this little wall right here, and maybe in between this little island, because it is deep water. And just swimming that thing slow off the bottom, and that's where they seem to be hitting it. And let's get some more. Yeah, swimming it slowly off the bottom. Got one. Same spot. This one feels a little better, but I think you're taking me out a little bit. Was this a pike? He's going towards the deeper water. I'm not sure. Feels pretty good, I think. Okay, he just surfaced. All right, same spot. Oh, it's a nice bass, bro. It's a nice bass. I think. Actually, that's an okay bass. That's a good bass. Get in here, get in here. Let's go. Oh yeah. Look at that fish. Woo! Look at that. Great fish. Absolutely chomped that jig. That's awesome. Sweet. Sweet looking bass right there. I'm actually gonna get a picture of that real quick. Right in the top of the mouth. Gonna get a nice picture on this chunker and then we'll put him back. There's the fish. Gonna get him out. Hopefully I can keep this trailer on because it seems to be doing really well for me right now. There we go. One last look at this fish. Beautiful fish. Same spot I caught that last one. We're actually gonna slide this guy nice and neatly back. Get him swimming. I think he's ready to go anyways. And there he goes. It got me soaking wet, but that's all right. Beautiful fish. I've actually caught 3 fish. This little spot right here, it's just deep water. It's rocky. And with my trailer, I'm just swimming that thing slow off the bottom. And they're just hammering it. So I'm going to see if there's any more fish in this exact spot, actually. So I'm going to get back in the water. And hopefully I can reuse my trailer, which almost seems to be toast. All right, here's a tip for all you young guys, younger than me out there. When it's the middle of summer, 90 degrees, not a cloud in the sky, don't throw top water. That's probably the dumbest thing you can do. And sure enough, those guys in that boat over there, I mean, they're in our spot right now, but we're not even worried about it because they're throwing top water. Not a single fish is going to come up and hit that. There he is. Oh! Damn. I was just bouncing it right off the rocks. Got him again. I don't think so. Oh, that is a good one. I just flipped that, Jesus. Might have been the one I just missed too. Good hook set right on top of the mouth. And not a bad fish. I'm gonna put it over here so I don't scare anything else over here. Let me run down. Beautiful 2-pound bass. I was just swimming that thing right off the bottom like I did for the other fish, and hopefully we can get some more. Nice. Thank you though. I mean, I wasn't, you could have fished it. Your line, dude, your line's always in the way, like this one in the tree.
Yeah, I know.
I've hit it so many times. It's ridiculous. Here you go. Oh, got one. Hit her right by the bank. Spicy. Yep. Thanks. That one's definitely smaller, but still same spot as that last one I just got. Oh my god, I just fell in that hole, dude. Oh my god.
Did that just happen?
Well, this part wasn't there. I just stepped through it. All right, so using the same thing still using that brown jig looking thingy, and definitely a smaller fish, but still beautiful fish. And thanks for landing them. Yeah, because the Kraken call on the back of a jig, dude, is so freaking deadly. It's not even funny. Got one? Nice. Sitting down, huh? Hey, nice, a pike. Actually, don't. Oh no, this is exactly how you get hooked. Squeeze them right there. That's probably a good spot.
All right, sweet.
That's actually kind of funny. Surprised you caught that in the chatterbait. Oh, my hands are all slimy. Good fish though. Guys, well that's gonna do it for this video. As you can see, we're sweating out here. It's super hot, super bad conditions for fishing today, but we did end up pulling some good ones off. Earlier when we weren't recording, our Ant was at a different side of the lake. I mean, he caught 2 or 3 on the jig, which is why I switched to the jig, which is why we stopped the LTB challenge, because we figured let's try to teach some people how to catch some try to catch some fish when it's sunny out, it's 90 degrees, and there's not a cloud in the sky. Hopefully you guys learned a thing or two from this video. I know we had a good time coming out here, even though we're dying from heat exhaustion. Still had a good time. Nothing beats being on the water. So if you guys are new here, hit that like button and subscribe if you enjoy the content. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and we will see you guys next time. Peace.